You came to photography to express yourself. So why should editing put it on pause with dozens of adjustments and hours of learning all the tools? Let's make photo editing about having fun, about your creative vision. Now, you can create incredible cityscapes, even when the sky is flat and unemotional. Remove imperfections instantly for a beautiful look in every portrait. Use artificial intelligence to reveal the details that matter without changing what's already perfect. Batch edit multiple images. The AI will perfect each image individually in seconds. All this editing is quick and easy. The result is nothing short of magical. Luminar 4, your photography elevated.